How to recover your Esmart Tax account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser, and on the search box, you want to search for libertytax.com and press enter. Then scroll down and click on File Online option. After that, you want to scroll down and then click on the Start Now button. Here you want to click on the Sign In Now option. Now on this page, you want to enter your username and then enter your password. Once you have done that, click on the sign in option. If you are facing any issue while accessing your account and you want to recover it, you simply want to click on the option that says need help signing in. Once you click on this option, on another page, you're going to find the account recovery options. The first one is in case you have forgotten your username. Click on this option. Then here you want to enter your email ID. Once you have entered your email ID, click on the Get Username option. Here it says that an email with your username has been sent to you. Go ahead and check your mail. And as you can see on this mail, the username is given here. So this is one way to recover your account in case you have forgotten your username. Now if you have forgotten password, click on Forgot Password. Then here enter your username. Now click on the Get Password option. Now an email will be sent to you, so go ahead and check your mail. Here you're going to get a link. Click on this link and that's going to take you to the Reset Password section. Here you need to answer one of these security questions. Click on the Submit button once you have answered it. Then you want to reset your password. For that, enter a new password. Make sure it has all the criteria. Then enter your password again to confirm it and then click on the Reset Password option. Now click on this link if you no longer have access to your email ID. Here you will have to enter your last name, your social security number, date of birth and then a zip code. Then you need to do this CAPTCHA and then click on the Find Account option. And with all of these ways, you will be able to recover your account. Once you have recovered your account, you will be able to log in, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.